Hi, this is John with WTI. And as in my apartment, I have limited storage when it comes to saving up clothes. For me, it's really hard. The optimization of storage. And this is where this Udanova hanging storage comes into place. And let me tell you some of the things that I like the most from this. It's so cool because you can just hang this from your closet and you have six different parts that you can put your socks, clothes, anything, you name it. Has two pockets on the different sides, and it has a really nice quality because it's not an MDF. It's not a soft material that once you put the clothes into it, it's gonna fold. No, this actually has some bamboo sticks that is gonna keep the clothes sturdy, and it can hold a good amount of weight. This is cool because it just the way that you can handle your storage is just so efficient and easy for me just to put all my clothes in the right place, easy to grab them. And even if I want to go out and take this with me to storage clothes in different places, maybe divided for different days, I just fold them over again and it's good to go. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.